The mentors here, they really care about teaching the students and bringing our education to the highest level possible.
I wanted to be a part of something that felt home. They didn't pressure or anything like that. They actually just welcomed me in with so much love and so much compassion and allowed me to move. No one boosted the school up to be greater than it was or anything like that. And they always encouraged me to do my own research.
We get to be on campus for all of our bodywork classes and really receive that hands-on coaching and one-on-one experience with the instructors.
One of the best things about NHI is their job placement assistance. As I got closer to graduating, a staff member would send me job leads, and I had a job offer the day before I graduated.
The strength of NHI is its balanced approach to both East and West, in having both the detail, medicine-oriented approach that borders physical therapy, as well as the Eastern energetic traditional Chinese medicine shiatsu aspect. It provides such a strong foundation to being able to approach those skills and apply them in a mixture to meet the client's specific needs.
Here at National Holistic Institute, we've been helping people have work they love for over 40 years. We are with you from the beginning to the end and after you graduate. From our admissions team to financial aid to our teachers and mentors to student services that help you with job placement, we are here for you.